Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, one red flag, three white flags and two blue flags are arranged in a line such that no two adjacent flags are of the same color. The flags at the two ends of the line are of different colors. In how many ways can the flags be arranged? So the required possibilities are given as or, where star shows the position occupied by two blue and one red flag. Therefore, total number of permutations is equal to 2 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial, that is equal to 6. So option D is the correct answer. The next question is, the price of coffee in rupees per kg is 100 plus 0.1 n on the nth day of 2007, where n can vary from 1 up to 100 and then remains constant. On the other hand, the price of OTT in rupees per kg is 89 plus 0.15 n on the nth day of 2007, where n can range from 1 to 365. On which date in 2007 will the prices of coffee and tea be equal? So, since price of coffee is rupees 100, so price of coffee is rupees 100 plus 0.1 n and price of tea is equal to 89 plus 0.15 n. Therefore, price of coffee on 100th day is equal to 100 plus 0.1 into 100, that is 110. Now price of tea and coffee will be equal when 89 plus 0.15 n is equal to 110, or 0.15 n is equal to 21, and from here we get n to be equal to 140. Now number of days in January is 31, in February is 28, in March is 31, and in April is 30. So total 120 days plus 20 days gives us 20th of May. So 20th of May is the date in which the prices of coffee and tea will be equal. The next question is, from 5 consonants and 4 vowels, dash words can be formed using 3 consonants and 2 vowels. So how many number of words can be formed? So selecting 3 consonants is done in 5C3 ways, and selecting vowels, so this is for consonants, and for vowels we have 4C2 ways. Now again, these 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So the total number of words is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 plus 120. Rather, into 120, these would be multiplication signs. I'm extremely sorry for the mistake. and you get this to be equal to 7200. Option B.